Clean the gizzards properly for cooking. Remove anything that is not chicken gizzard. Prepare it clean and pretty like this. Now wash this clean. Cut each gizzard in 3 pieces like this. When I cook chicken gizzards, I add the seasonings 2 times. Divide the seasonings. This is seasonings number 1, seasonings number 2. Boil 1 or 2 pounds of chicken gizzards in enough water until it tenderized. Or pressure cook it in 3 cups of water for 20 minutes. Make sure the chicken gizzard is not tough before you start stewing. Add 1 tablespoon browning and seasonings number 1. Allow it to stew. After that, add seasonings number 2. Allow it to stew for 30 to 40 minutes. Add the ketchup 8 minutes near the end. When the gravy starts sticking on the bottom of the pot, it's ready. Eat brown stewed chicken gizzard with rice or cooked food. Until next time, Megan, get the cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages that you can lay out on a table for easy reading.